Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. We have another wig that comes to us today from Sam's Beauty. This one here is from Alley Hairs and it is a human hair wig. I think you guys are going to love it. I'm absolutely in love with this wig. This hair is soft. It is everything. Let's get into it, sis. Let's go. So today you guys, we are doing a human hair wig and it is from Alley Hairs. This is sold by Sam's Beauty. This is going to be a human hair wig, and what I love about it, it's supposed to be this edge layering scarf that they sell with the wig. So you get it in so many colors, you guys. I love that pink and that purple and definitely that mustard color. So the scarf is going to be a 60 by 4 and the hair is gorgeous. Can we just give it up for this hair? So it is going to be your normal cap construction as far as the wig is concerned. This is the card that comes on it. It is a natural color and it is a ripple wave and it's supposed to be 22 inches. I don't know, the judge is still out on the 22 inches, maybe stretched, maybe in the back, I don't know. And so this is how I'm wearing my hair. I only took out my edges and then I have a wig cap on in the back. I am going to go ahead and use the combs just to kind of make it secure. So I put that comb in the front, I'm pinning it up in the back and letting you see how you can do that strap. This strap was easy to put on. Some of them I struggled, this one not so much. You guys, this hair, I'm feeling this hair and I'm like, oh my goodness, for this to be this price, why is this hair so soft? Why is the curl so deep? And it's just so nice. So I absolutely loved it and I was just seeing what I wanted to do with it. You guys know I don't put a lot of products on my hair, so I did not put anything on my edges. I wanted to wear it just like it was here, so that's what I'm doing. I'm just going to go in and I'm going to put the scarf on. Now this is like a satin silk scarf, so it was easy to put on and easy to adjust. You do get like bends in it from it being folded up, so if you want you can like iron it or something like that and then put the scarf on. For the sake of the video, sis, I threw it on and just, you know, tried to recreate what was on the card. What I'm doing here, baby oil. I don't want to add all that drip drip drip. I just take a little bit of baby oil, put it on there, and yeah, it brings that curl out and it makes it pop. So let's take a quick break. If you guys are not following me on my social medias, what you doing with your life, you guys go ahead and go over and follow me on TikTok and on Instagram at Beautiebymark. So back to our regularly scheduled program, and look at those curls. They are popping, girl. Can you see those curls? They popping. And all that's on here is a little bit of baby oil, a little bit of time, and a little bit of patience, and that's it. So I love the hair. I love the length of the hair. Let's go ahead and get into my pros and cons. Okay, you guys, so like I mentioned, this wig comes to us today from Sam's Beauty and it is really pretty. So it does come from Alley Hairs, and I want to say that Sam's Beauty sells wigs from AliExpress vendors. I'm not sure if this is one, but I'm thinking that it is when it says Alley Hairs. So this one's beautiful. Hands down, absolutely gorgeous. It is a human hair wig, and it's absolutely beautiful. So what they are giving you with this wig is going to be this edge layering scarf, and it is like a silky satin, and they want you to be able, they give you enough so that you're able to, you know, double it around and make it into this bow or something like that. That's all nice. What I love about this is going to be the hair. The hair is gorgeous. The hair is soft. The texture of it is soft. I didn't get any shedding with this hair. I did not wet the hair because I'm a natural girl, and a lot of times I like my wigs to look natural and not like wet and wavy, so to speak. I like it to look dry and wavy so that you can really see the texture. You can really see the deepness of the waves. I like that. I don't generally like so much of it being wet and putting a lot of products. I don't put a lot of products on my hair, so I'm definitely trying to put a lot of products on human hair, but that's just me personally. I'm showing you the hair dry. I just took, as you saw, a little bit of baby oil and I put that on it, and I feel like that makes the curl pattern just pop. Again, it looks so natural. You don't have anything dripping or anything like that. So I absolutely love it. It fits really good. The band that comes on here is really nice as well, and like I said, you get such a natural look. Now of course you can do all the styles that we normally do. You can do an updo, up down. You can put the whole thing up with these bigger scarves because they're wider. Now this scarf, again, I might have mentioned, is a 60 by 4. So it should be like 4 inches this way and then 60 the long way. And it's beautiful. So if you want to pull it up, you can pull her up into like a top knot. You can pull it up into a ponytail. You can pull the top part up and have it down. You could take a braid and wrap around the front of it, take this scarf off, and you could do something like that. You can also go in, gel your edges down, and do that look as well. I wanted to do the look that the wig is selling, which is this double edge scarf layering look, blah blah blah. So anyway, I love it. I think it's really, really pretty. If you can pick it up, get it. The hair is gorgeous. Are we over the headband wigs? I'm not. Again, the human hair ones especially, I am really getting back into those. I have been wearing a human hair headband wig for about the last week, on and off, just throwing it on and wearing it. If you guys have not caught my video on the U-part wig, I'm not sure if I posted that yet, but I'm gonna link that in the description box below, because someone sent me a U-part wig that is a kinky straight, and you guys, it blends with my hair so perfectly. People just thought it was my hair. It's absolutely another beautiful wig. So thanks again to Sam's Beauty for, as usual, pouring into the channel. If you guys have not subscribed, what you waiting for? Go ahead on and hit that subscription button. Hit the bell, and also you guys will be notified every single time that I upload. Returning subscribers in YouTube, babes, you already know y'all the MVPs. If you guys decide to share this video or any of my videos on your social media platform, you know the deal. Don't forget to tag me in it. Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, or TikTok. The name is Beautiebymark. I will see you, ladies and gentlemen, in my next video. Bye.